Okay, saan na tayo tol ng pang-apat na topic sa ano, tawag nito? Ay putya, wait lang ha. Okay, nasa pang-apat na tayo na topic from TTOS ng ating tinatawag na ah, sa traffic. Okay, so we are going to talk about the criminal laws on provisions. Okay, sa mga kaka-join lang dyan, kanina pa tayo dito, no? What are the restrictions? Pero anyway, okay, mga importante topic po ito yung pag-uusapan natin. Okay, kumusta kayong lahat? Okay, sige. Bira na tayo, tol. Agay call. Okay, bata pa ko call. Okay. First law na pag-aaralan natin ngayon is the RA 10586. Basically, tol, no, this is the Anti-Drug Driving Act of 2013. Ano pong meron dito, tol? Okay, basically, tol, ito po yung batas na nagbabawal na bawal mag-drive or magmaneho yung isang tao na under the influence of alcohol. Okay? Under the influence of alcohol. Bakit po, sir? Okay? Dangerous drugs and similar substances and for other purposes. Okay? Pag sinabing ito, also repealed, pag sinabing repealed, tol, pinalitan. Okay? Repealed the mandatory drug testing of driver's license and applicants. Okay? Take note, everyone, ha? Let's define first what are the specific terminology gaya nga ng sabi ko sa inyo during the first day of your ano. Okay, the keyword is not applicable unless it is defined by law. Number one, pag sinabing alcohol, this is a alcoholic beverages or this is a beverage na nag-produce ng intoxication. Okay, what does it mean, sir? Pag sinabing intoxication, it refers to a substance or isang ano, beverage na nakakalasing. Okay, ano pa? Itong breath analyzer, tol. Okay, legit po yan, tol. Okay, 1,000 chupapi po yan. Okay, sir, anong ibig sabihin ng 1,000 chupapi? Okay, meaning po niyan, tol, there is a big chance na lalabas po yan. Ganito po, 1,000 chupapi, tol. Aray ko, tol. Yan. Okay, lalaki pala, nagjajakol. Aray ko. Okay, breath analyzer. Ano pa? Chemical test. Okay? When we talk about the chemical test, anong ibig sabihin? Okay? Before anything else, tol, no? Before ba to? Dadaan muna tayo sa tinatawag nating dadaan muna tayo tol sa tinatawag nating what you call this one? The field sobriety test. Anong ibig sabihin ng field sobriety test? Okay? Field sobriety test, tol, lumabas po yan. Okay? Anong lumabas? Okay? Field sobriety test. Okay? Field sobriety test. Pag sinabing field sobriety test, if you are a law enforcer, okay, may nakita kang isang ano, driver na meron kang probable cause. Pag sinabing probable cause, reasonable belief na ang isang tao ay under the influence of alcohol or drugs, okay, pahihintuin mo siya, tsaka magkakanda kayo ng field sobriety test. Okay, isa-isahin po natin yan later on. Anong example ng mga field sobriety test? Lumabas po ito July, August 2024. Lista mo na yan. Di ba? Gusto mo maging tituladong our queen? Aray ko. Ayoko. 2024 yung mga chupapi. Okay? The field sobriety test. Isa-isahin natin yung literon, ha? Okay. Ano pa yung kailangan natin i-under dito na terminology? Okay. Driving under the influence of dangerous drugs and other similar substances. Sabotable. O, nandito na. Okay, sir. Anong meron sa field sobriety? Number one. Okay. As the horizontal gaze ni Stagmos. Ano pa? The work, walk and turn. Tsaka one leg stand. Kailangan, tol. Hindi ka babagsak sa ano natin. Kayang tatlo na yan. Bakit po, sir? Once po, tol. Okay, kunyari sa walk and turn, natumba po kayo dyan. Automatic, there is a probable cause na meron kang or you are under the intoxication, dadaan ka sa breath test in order to determine ilang percent ba na na-intake mo na alcohol, papi kang hinayuking ina mo. Okay? Motor vehicle na. May define na motor vehicle, tol. This is a type of vehicle, okay, na ginagamit natin other than muscular power. Anong ibig sabihin, sir? Okay, power combustion. Powered by combustion. Pag sinabing powered by combustion, tol, meron tayong tawag dyan na engine. Okay? Merong makina. Automatic yan. Okay? Matic na yan pag sinabing public utility vehicles, ito po yung mga sasakyan na ginagamit pang pasahero. Okay? Basic. Di ba? Shit. Okay. Dito tayo, tol. What are the punishable acts? It shall be unlawful person to drive a motor vehicle under the influence of alcohol. Okay, and under drugs. Okay, dito tayo, tol. Kapag bumagsak po ang isang tao, take note everyone ha, kapag bumagsak po yung isang tao sa sobriety test, okay, saan siya dadaan, tol? Okay? It shall be the duty of the law enforcement officer to implement mandatory determination of the driver's blood alcohol concentration. Okay? Anong gamitin natin? Take note ha, field sobriety test. Una, pag mayroong reasonable ground to believe that a person is under the intoxication of alcohol, automatic tol, under the intoxication of alcohol, field sobriety. Take note ha, field sobriety test. Pag nag-fail po, matic analyzer. Okay, breath kasing kasunod niyan. The breath analyzer test. Okay, ito tol. Okay, dito na tayo. Okay, wag na yan, dito na tayo. Kita yung screen dyan, press 3 nga kung nakita yung screen natin, press 3. Press 3 kita yung screen natin mga chupapi. Okay, sige. What are the, ito tol ha, legit, lumabas board exam. Alright, lumabas sa board exam. Okay. Lumabas po yan sa board exam, tol. Aray ko. Okay, lumabas po yan sa board exam. Okay. Anong meron sa horizontal gaze mouse, walk and turn, tsaka one leg stand test? Anong ibig sabihin? When we talk about, this is a reference from the LTO, ha? Okay, galing po to sa LTO. Walk and turn, anong gagawin sa walk and turn? Drivers are instructed to take a specific number of straight. Okay, take note ha. Maglalakad po siya straight line. Maglalakad straight line tapos ang sasabihin harap sa likod using 1 foot. Okay, tapos babalik siya, babalik. Okay, babalik. Okay, babalik. Pag natumba, okay, automatic, bagsak. Gets nyo? Breath analyzer automatic. Ano pa? One leg stand. Okay, when we talk about one leg stand, tatayo siya ng isa lang yung, isa lang yung legs niya. Isang leg. Isang one leg lang ng legs. Gagong puta. Okay? Keeping the other rice in a designated for kunyari 30 seconds. Okay, 30 seconds. Nakatayo ka na isa lang yung paa yung gamit. Automatic tol kapag hindi ka natumba, meaning to say, meron ka pang balance. Okay? Ano pa tol? Horizontal. Kaya nang ibig sabihin dito. Okay? The use of a pen or small object para tong magi-hypnotize ba? Okay? Para kang magi-hypnotize nito tol. Pero pang wait lang ha. Gagong puta. Okay. Law enforcement officers use a pen or small object to observe the driver's eye movement. Bakit po sa dito natin tinitingnan kung mayroong deviation? Deviation yung mata. Okay? Kasi dyan natin makikita kung under influence ba yung isang tao. Okay? Tatlo po yan ha. Tatlo. Walk and turn, one leg stand, tsaka horizontal gaze, nystagmus test. Okay? Next tayo, tol. Okay, ito. Anak, property of children aboard motor vehicles. General rule, tol, baka bago yan makaangkas sa motorsiklo. Take note ha, bawal po makaangkas ang isang bata sa motorcycle. General rule. Take note, general rule, bawal. Prohibited. Prohibited lang po kayo niyan, tol. Okay? Prohibited. Now, Okay, what are the definition? Pag sinabing motor vehicle, tol, ay motorcycle, sorry. Okay, meron po yang dalawang gulong. Okay, pag sinabing motorcycle, dalawang gulong. Public roads naman, tol, pag sinabing public roads, example dito, highways. Okay, example dito, highways. Ano pa? Roads over public channels but not to national ways. Ito yung platform attached to a motorcycles in which is stand brake. Dito po yung, kung sa Bisaya pa, ang tiil niya dito nakatunog. Okay? Sa nakaangkas. Okay? Kailangan natin yan ipandar. Bakit po? Kasi pagdating dito sa section 4, okay, there are specific terminologies na kailangan yung malaman dito. Okay? Unlawful daw na ang isang bata nakasakay dito unless exemption. Bawal ang bata unless. Pag sinabing bata, tol, child, ano nga to? Pag sinabing child, matik yan, tol, minor. Pag sinabing bata, matik yan, minor. Okay? Isa-isahin natin. Sir, kahit na minor, sir, pero yung kanyang paa ay abot yung foot peg. Okay? Abot yung foot peg sa paa, ay yung ng paa, matik, tol, exempted. Okay? Pwede. As long as abot. Ano pa? Okay, the child's arm can reach around and grabs the waist of motorcycle rider. Kunyari, tol, kapag nakaangkas, tol, pag yayakapin niya yung driver, abot niya yung kanyang kamay. Kunyari, ganito, tol. Ganito yung driver, tol. Kunyari, ganyan yung driver. Sheesh. Ganyan yung driver, tol. Okay, kapos yung nakaangkas, tol, dito yung minor. Okay, hahawak siya dyan. Okay, abot niya yung kanyang dalawang kamay. Okay, nag-abot yung kanyang mga kamay. Okay pa ba tayo dyan, tol? Okay pa ba tayo dyan? At time abot sa footpeg. Okay? Ano pa? Okay, child is wearing a standard protective helmet referred to under RA 10054. Ano tayo? Ano nga to? 10666. Bawal ang bata sa motorcycle unless ito po yun. Abot niya footpeg, mayakap niya yung driver, tsaka naka-helmet. Okay, ano pa? Okay, notwithstanding with the prohibition provided in the preceding section, this act shall not apply to cases where the child transported requires immediate medical attention. Anong ibig sabihin, sir? Immediate medical attention. Exemption, na exemption po ito. Meron ng exemption, meron pang, okay, exemption. General rule, bawal ang door sa motorcycle. Abot yung footpeg, tsaka mayakap niya yung kanyang driver. Sir, ano pa yung ibang exemption? Pwede yung bata kahit hindi abot yung footpeg kapag during emergency. Okay? During emergency, take note ha, during emergency, matik pwede, exempted tol. Matik tol, aray ko tol, is plakak, kampusagak. Okay? Take note everyone ha. Ang dinidiscuss po natin ngayon is yung mga provisions or certain laws in relation to the traffic na na-mention sa table of specifications nyo. Okay? Although some of the dinidisregard na to, pero this is quite important, lalong-lalo na sa inyo kasi magagamit nyo to. Okay. Okay, renewing franchise, wala na yan. Okay, dito tayo, tol. Traffic enforcement. Shit. Pag sinabing traffic law enforcement, tol, okay, sino po yung dito, tinahasan sa pag-enforce ng traffic laws? Okay. Is this the action taken by the police to compel obedience to traffic laws and ordinances, regulating the use of movements of a motor vehicle for the purpose of creating deterrent and lawful behavior of all violators. Okay? Basically, tol, pag sinabing law enforcement, hindi dyan nawawala yung HPG, HPG, LTO, CTTMO sa Davao, TEU, Traffic Enforcement Unit. Okay? Sino yung responsible na magbigay sa iyo ng ticket kapag nakabiolate ka ng traffic law? Okay, ito pa. It is also a part of enforcement involving the arrest. Ano pa? Traffic citation. Pag sinabing citation tol ha, it is pag meron kang citation, pupunta ka sa court na hindi ka naman naaresto. Sino yan natikitan diyan na hindi yung sumipot? Putya tol. Okay? Hindi kayo sumipot tol. Legit, liglig, patay. Okay? Ano pa? Okay, reasons for violation of traffic flow. Okay, what are the reasons tol kung bakit nakaka-violate yung isang tao? Physical disabilities or infirmities. Ignorance of traffic. Hindi niya alam. Okay, wala siyang alam. Ano pa? Lack of training and experience. Anong ibig sabihin, sir? First time mo pumunta ng Davao City na nakamotor ka, awit ka doon. Di ba? Some of you, yung mga first timer na pumunta ng Davao City na nakamotor, tol, okay, sila yung more likely nakaka-violate kasi nga, hindi pa nila alam yung mga rules and regulations. Ano pa? PUB, drivers for increased compensation. Ano pa? Drivers apathy towards design, signals, and marking, and influential person violate because they are exempted for punishment. What are the examples sa number 7? Yung mga politicians, tol. Okay? Yung mga politicians, okay, they really thought that they are exempted kasi nga malalaking tae sila. Nakuha nyo? Malalaking tae. What does it mean malalaking tae, sir? Okay, yung mga tao na mga nasa mayor, ano pa, vice mayor, mga congressman, okay, akala nila, okay, exempted sila. But no. Okay, bakit po, sir? Okay, no one is above the law. Sometimes you have to bend the law. Shit. Okay. Anak ng puta. Ano pa? Deterrence. Anong ibig na deterrence, tol? Discouragement yan, ha? Discouragement. Okay, discouragement, chupapi. Okay. Bakit po, sir? Okay. Bakit po di-discourage natin yung mga motorist? Fear of fine and punishment. Bakit po, sir? Meron pag sinabing fine, tol, multa yan. Nagawa niyo ba? Yung multa ng tol, nakadepende sa violation nyo. Kunyari, wala kayong hindi nyo dala yung ORCR, automatic tol, libo na yan. Okay. Loss of driving privilege. Sabi ko nga, di ba? Yung yung pagiging pagkakaroon ng driver's license, hindi matter of privilege. Paano kapag na-revoke yan, tol? Na-revoke, wala ka. Privilege na mag-drive ng motor vehicle. Ano pa? Possibility of being involved in accident and passive area of good citizenship of doing what is right and setting example. Okay, dito tayo tol sa traffic patrol. Ano meron sa traffic patrol, Chupapi? Okay, refers to the observation of road conditions. Nandito yung word ha. Observation. Sir, ano tong traffic patrol? Ano yung patrol? Kung sa LEA pa, anong patrol na yan? That is the backbone of the organization, di ba? Okay. Ano pa? The behavior of the drivers and other users of vehicles. Okay, yun ang ibig sabihin, sir. Okay, for the purpose of traffic supervision and law enforcement and providing authorized traffic connected and services to the public. Okay? Yan po ha, patrol. Line patrol, what does it mean line patrol? Line patrol. Observation either in moving or stationary at a certain route or point of a major street. Take note ha, specific na street lang yan. Kunyari, ano ba yung sa Davao, tol? Quirino. Kunyari, sa Quirino, tol. Quirino lang. Kunyari, sa Quirino na kalsada. Dati sa line patrol, dyan ka lang nag-iikot-ikot. Okay? Pag sinabi naman, tol, area patrol, okay? Hindi lang isang, kasi sa line, ha? Paano sa kapag involved na ng tol? Number of streets. Kunyari, tol, kasali na dito pasok sa tol? Ganyan. Kasali na dyan, tol, yung mga tol. Anong tawag yan, tol? Kasali na dito, hindi lang isang Okay? This is what we call, kasali na dyan ha. This is what we call atol. Ha? Tawag dyan ay area. Okay? Area na yan. ito lang, or patrol. Kasalin na to dito, tol. This is area patrol. Okay. Ito, ayaw call. Okay. Ayaw call, bata pa call. Okay. Ano pa? Stationary naman, tol. Ano meron sa stationary? Pag sinabi stationary, X point. Okay. Selected place. Okay. Usually one with unfavorable accident expenses. Okay. Pag sinang ganyan, tol, usually ganito yan. Okay. Stationary observation, fixed point lang. Fixed point. Fixed point. Or fixed location. Dito yan, tol, meron tayong conspicuous, visible observation, concealed observation. Anong pinagkatol? Okay, ganito yan, no? Pag sinabing conspicuous observation, kunyari, tayo ng ano tala, intersection. Okay? Pag sinabing ganyan, intersection, observer remains in full view. Anong ibig sabihin, sir? Remains in full view. Intersection, malamang tol, lalo na kapag walang traffic, walang traffic light, automatic dito yan sila, tol. Dito. Okay, sa gitna. Anong sabi, tol? Anong sabi? Okay, remain in full view. Okay? Ano pa? Pag visible naman, magkap lang po itong dalawa. Pero ang visible, tol, okay, na full view yung ano, ang traffic enforcer, pero but so located at a side street. Kailangan pa natin hanapin. Kaya nga naman, di ba, yung mga videos, mga sisiko ba? Okay? Kunyari ganito, hindi natin kita yung ano, sample ganito tol, hindi nyo kita, wala dyan. Tignan yan. Pero nandito lang sila sa gilid, tol. Kuha nyo. Okay. Nandyan sa gilid. In every corner, meron palang minion. Matic, tol, that is visible observation. How about, tol? Wala talaga. Okay. Kunyari, tol, aantayin ka lang na makakakomit ng ball, tol, that is concealed observation. Okay. Observer is not visible to person using ordinary power. Observation from the roadway being observed. Example dito sa mga kurbada. Bakit po, sir? Kunyari, tol, ganito. Kurbada, tol. Ganyan, ha? Kurbada. Nandito lang pala sila, tol. Tapos ikaw, kamote ka. Okay? Hindi mo sila makahalata. Alright? That's what we call the concealed observation, ha? Nakatago. Okay, buhay pa ba kayo dyan, tol? Press 1 nga kayo dyan, tol. Okay, press 1 nga kayo dyan kung yung mga copy natin. Mag-take ba kayo ng August, tol? Mag-take ba kayo? Sure na? Sure ba? Take August? Yes. Yun. Art cream yummy. Ang sarap mo. Okay. Dito tayo, tol. When we talk about the traffic arrest, kailan ba nagkakaroon ng traffic? Okay, traffic arrest. Okay? When we talk about traffic arrest, this refers to enforcement action which consists of taking a person into custody. Matik na yan. Pag sinabing arrest, tol, iisipin nyo na lang dyan ang Section 1. Section 1 ng Rule 113. Taking a person into custody in order to ano, holding or detaining him to answer of the charge for a court. Okay? What are the reasons, tol, kung bakit, tol, magkakaroon ng arrest? Okay? Seryoso yung kanyang nakomit. Kunyari, tol, nakabangga, matik yan. Okay? Kung nakabangga, arrest means na stop na sabi. Putang ina, parang hindi abogadong puta. Di ba? Ano pa? Serious, kunyari, sir, nakabangga. Okay? Nakabangga. Sir, kahit nakasalanan pa, sir, ng ano, sir, biktima, sir, kasalanan pa yung nabangga, kunyari, tol, ito, example lang. Have you ever tried to watch the, ano, yung news? Kunyari, ito yung sasakyan, tol. Putang inang sasakyan. Kunyari, ganyan. Okay? Kunyari, yan yung sasakyan tol, tapos may tumalon dito. Tumalon si Chupapi dito, tol. Nabangga, patay. Okay? Nabangga, patay. Pero hindi alam ng driver. Magkakaroon ba ng arrest dyan? Yes or no? Magkakaroon ba ng arrest? Yes or no? Ha? Ayaw, Paul. Basically, tol, no, ang presumption dyan is the reckless imprudence. Presumption pa lang. Take note ha, presumption. Presumption is reckless. Okay, imprudence. Okay, resulting to homicide. Take note ha, ang presumption dito is what we call the rebuttal presumption. Rebuttal. What does it mean rebuttal? Pwede pang mabaliktad. Rebuttal presumption. Not conclusive. Okay? Kaya nga nasabi ko, tol, magkakaroon pa ng arrest dyan. Okay? Kasi nga namatay seryoso. Pero it doesn't mean, tol, na nagkaroon ng arrest. Okay? When you look at the section 21, as section 1 of the rule 113, it is made by actual restraint or voluntary surrender. So basically, voluntary surrender is the type of arrest pa din. Okay? Take note ha, itong reckless imprudence resulting to homicide ano to sa Article 365 of the Revised Penal Code. Okay. Patol, that's the continued violation and the reasonable that the violator will not appear. Okay, sir, yung citation, pupunta ka sa court niyan without having an arrest. Kuha nyo, quote on providence ba? Kita nyo yung quote in providence. Alright, saan na tayo? Traffic citation, appear in court without physical arrest. Ito. Okay? Doon ka magbabayad. This is an efficient system since majority of violations with minor offenses are punished promptly by paying. Okay? Take note everyone sa traffic citation natin doon. Okay, what are the types of traffic citation? Number 1 is the TOP. Okay, ano meron sa TOP, sir? Temporary Operators Permit. Okay, when we talk about temporary operators permit, na citation ka ng traffic enforcer, na confiscate yung mo tol, pwede kang magmaneho 72 hours. Okay, pwede ka. A traffic citation used in enforcement of traffic management measured and other special laws transported or the TO and other deputized officers. Yung TOP is 72 hours. You have 72 hours na pwede kang maneho. Ano pa? Itong unified toll, saan lang to tol? Sa MMDA. Okay, MMDA lang yan. Metro Manila, which includes MMDA and local government units enforcement in its respective traffic management. Okay? 22 hours pa din yan within the jurisdiction of issuing unit. Okay. Sir, paglabas na ng Manila, sir, mga regions na, mga rural areas, matik OVR or Ordinance Violation Receipt. Okay, citation ticket used in enforcement of traffic management measures of the local government units outside Metro Manila. Outside Metro Manila, Chupapi. Okay, buhay pa ba kayo dyan? Ano? Okay. With other deputized and five agents. Okay? Medyo mabilis yung pacing natin, Matol, kasi to finish topic. Ano, Matol? When it